Welcome to Yeah Buddy. Today we're going to feature the downhill assist control in a 2023 Lexus GX 460. I usually don't get a chance to use it because we're not in rough terrain or off-road, but today we've got an icy downhill kind of rough driveway that we're going to use it on in the middle of nowhere, as you can see in the map. Okay, so it's just going to be a couple minutes. So what we have to do first is, I'll show you when we get to the top of the hill. We're going to use the low 4 selector. We're going to put it in neutral. Then we're going to switch to low 4, and then we're going to hit the downhill assist control. Basically what that's going to do is allow us to go down the hill without using brakes. It'll just apply brakes automatically and give us a nice smooth and steady ride down kind of an icy and rough terrain hill. And this isn't the worst, and usually you'd probably want to use it for a lot longer than what we're going to use it for, just to give yourself a little bit of ease. But today we're gonna do this. So let's once I get up to the top here, we'll park it just right at the top here, and we're gonna go into neutral. You can see neutral. Gonna have to push this in, and that'll get us into low 4. And you should see low 4 flash up on your steering column. And you get all sorts of bells and whistles on the GX. Okay, as we start rolling, I'll put the downhill assist control on in just a second once I get into drive here. Actually, let's do before I get into drive. So I'm gonna flip that, and we should see the little downhill assist control icon light up in the RPM meter. Flip her into drive, and we're just gonna start rolling. I got my foot off. You can hear the ABS working as we're going down the hill, so don't be too alarmed with that. And now it's just going gently now that we're not going around the corner or on icy spots. But this isn't too rough, as you can see, but it is some icy spots, I guess, right there. But it just keeps us trucking along. Pretty smooth. And now we're kind of at the bottom. So I'm gonna put the brakes on, turn the downhill assist control off, put it into neutral, put it back in high 4, and put it back in drive. And that's it. Let me know if you like this video, if you want to see anything else on the GX 460. Subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.